Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In today's video, I will teach you how to remove a card from Prizepicks. First of all, you need to log into your Prizepicks account. You can use your mobile app or website. Then you need to navigate to deposit section. Click on deposit button located in the top right corner to access the deposits tab. Then you need to identify the payment method to remove. So in this case, we are going to remove our bank card. So we need to find our bank card from the list. After that, when we find the card, we need to remove this card. If it's eligible, a trash can icon will appear next to the payment method. Click this icon to remove the card. But there are some important considerations, and let's read about them. 60-day waiting period. You can remove a payment method only after 60 days have passed since your first deposit using that method. If the trash can icon is not visible, it indicates that 60-day period has not yet elapsed. Monthly and annual limits. You are allowed to request the removal of a payment method once per calendar month and no more than 5 times within any 12-month period. PayPal accounts. For security reasons, PayPal accounts cannot be removed once they are linked. So that's how you can remove the card from Prizepicks. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.